back to my channel with me, Monique. I upload videos weekly about style and travel. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would like to take the time and click that subscribe button. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So today I have a very exciting unboxing, a long time in the making. It is, of course, from Chanel. If you can see that the Chanel bag looks different. Before I unbox this piece, I also purchased another item from Chanel, which was actually purchased last year in 2021. So I want to shout out to my friend Krista, who has been holding on to this item in her apartment with a bunch of other items, and I finally get to pick them up this year when I move back to New York. Yeah, I'm so excited. So the first item comes in this garment bag, which this was purchased last year in 2021. So I can't remember, but I think this piece probably is from 2020. As you know, now Chanel doesn't really have a sale for public anymore. So this is what I purchased from the sale last year, and it comes in this beautiful garment bag. I'm just gonna show you. And ta-da! I hope you can see it with the light. So let me just take it out of the bag. It's this beautiful spring coat. I would say this is spring because this is lighter. Unlike the Chanel jackets that usually are heavier and has the chain on the bottom, this one doesn't have a chain. But I love, look at this. Oh my god, look at the fabric. It's so beautiful. It's so bridal in a way also. I love it. It is slightly small on me because this is the last size that they had, but I fell in love with it. I don't even care. I will probably have it like altered and make it like slightly larger for me, but it's so beautiful. Oh my god, look at that. It's like ivory white. It's such a beautiful and so soft also. This is the sleeves. It's so long. It's full length on me. Very beautiful. That's the lining, silk lining. Beautiful. I'm so excited to pick this up. I think this is such a staple, and yeah, it has two pockets. Actually, and it's also quite flattering, especially the back. If you see this stitching here, it's very flattering on you. Love it. It's so beautiful. I'm happy to be reunited with this. Okay, so that is one item from Chanel, and now we have what's in this little box. So if you're wondering why the shopping bag is white, it's not because it's from the Chanel Rue Cambon. This was purchased here in New York. And it has this embossed lion's head on the bag. So the only items from Chanel that comes in this bag is their fine jewelry. So that's why the shopping bag is different. I've had these items on my wish list for forever. It's on my forever wish list. I even put it also in my 2022 wish list. And I finally got it. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to show you. So let's open it up. I need two hands for this. Okay. So inside looks like that. Beautiful box. Is the box. How adorable is that? Look at that. So beautiful. I'm so excited, guys. Let's open Camellia, of course. It says Chanel in the box. and it's different from the custom jewelry box because the Chanel is also on black as opposed to white. To reveal a white box inside. It has a certificate of authenticity inside, so it's different than the bags. It tells you the origin of the diamonds and how to take care of your piece. Let's open it. I don't know which way is it. Are you ready, guys? Okay. Inside is this beautiful camellia. I've been looking at this ring for years. I've been wanting it for years, more than 5 years. At one time, I was even thinking about replacing my engagement ring with this, and I wanted this as my engagement ring because I think it's just so romantic. I think it's so beautiful. I mean, Chanel is just synonymous with the camellia. It's so, so beautiful, and yeah, I'm so happy that I finally got this. I'm gonna try it on my finger. I'm gonna take off my ring. Guys, oh my god. Oh my god. My nails are not done, but I just love it. It's just the perfect size. I love it. So this one is the camellia ring. It is the 18 karat white gold with diamonds, and there's one diamond there that is slightly larger in the middle. I think it's just so romantic and it's just so beautiful. It's not too big. I love it so much. I love the fact that it is big, but it's big enough for every day. So it's not like one of these like cocktail rings. I think it's also great for every day, which I do want to wear this a lot. I love this. I've been in love with this ring for forever, and I'm so happy I finally have it in my collection. It's just so beautiful. It's so stunning. I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm ecstatic, and this is actually a belated gift for our 10-year anniversary, so it is very special, and I will keep it forever in my collection. Love it. So that's my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about the Chanel fine jewelry collection. I do love them, and recently I tried on the Coco Crush ring when I went to their Hamptons pop-up, and I think they look amazing for every day for layering, and it's so beautiful. So hopefully maybe I will add them to my collection in the future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like if you like this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.